Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to make a origami ninja star. Now let's take one paper. Now let's take some. Now we'll take some green color because I love green. And one more paper. What should we take? Should we take grey? Yeah, we'll take grey for now. Now we'll close it up. Alright. Let's close this up. And now we got this. Now we need one scale and one pencil and eraser so we can mark how much. Now for this ninja star, I will use 9 centimeters. So first of all, make it like this here and mark it at 9 centimeters here. Then draw the line of 9 centimeters here. Now mark it up to here and now again draw one line and 9 centimeters done. Now so on we will complete like this 9 centimeters. Okay, now again we have to do the same process. We should take it from here and try. Now let's cut it with the scissors. Make sure that the scissor cuts on the line so the origami will not be too big or too small. Now we'll cut this here. The fourth piece is done. Now let's do, now this grey shade is there, no? Now we'll just outline it here. See, it outlines here, and with the pencil we'll again draw it here without using the scale. After this, now here, now here, now here, we will use the scale. Oh, it's below 9 centimeters. Now I should make sure that here and here. So I have to just erase this part, and now I'm again using my eraser. Make sure that you don't erase the whole line. For me it's not coming, so I have to erase half, like some of the line, and again draw it. Now cut it. Now again cut here. Now we should cut here. One came out to be a dinosaur when I was cutting. I did not also notice how funny it is. This is the face, this is the back, it's wearing a backpack, and this is the hand, and this is the leg. How funny it is. And here, see, you can see a staircase. Oh. Okay, now let's stop the funny and go to the parts. Now, what we should do? Now we should do like this. Now like this. Now just we have to make sure that no errors will come while folding it. And a little I'm done. Like this. Then next side here. If you keep it like this, again like this, and just make underline. Now what we should do? We should do like this. We should do like this. It came out. Now let's just cut the trim part because it might not look good. I'll just trim a part. That's it. And also even this side. And done. Like this. Okay. Now we should fold it like this. Make it like this, you can see now, and make the remaining all like this, guys, and like this we should make it. Okay, now I'll explain you how to do it. Now let's keep it like this here. No, I mean not this. I think it's, now keep it inside like this and like this inside and squeeze it so it won't come out. Now keep another one. Wait, it's not good. Keep another one, keep it here and bend it and keep it inside. Same. See how is it now? It looks like a boomerang. Now let's also do for the remaining also. Now again we have to bend it and keep it. Again bend it and keep it. And again one more gray. Keep it, bend it and keep another one. Keep it, bend it and again bend it. Now one more, this one. Keep it, bend it, and again bend it, and now keep this, keep it, bend it, and again bend it, and now try to keep it inside here, keep it. Now we have to try to keep it inside this hole, and wait 1 minute. It's going inside. Done. And this side also. Let's try. Now done. Now let's check how does it work. Okay. Now we should do like this. We can also do like this. Like this we can do. Or like this we can also do. Like this we can do. And now lastly like this. And here our ninja star is ready. Now let's once test it. Now here is our ninja. Here is our ninja star. Now if we want to make it into a O, now do it like this. Then do like this. Like this. And like this. And here we got over. Now let's see how to again make it. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. And see how a ninja star was made. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Try to throw the ninja star. Wait a little hard. Wait. One more, and here our ninja star is made.